the smallest unit of an element. Remember that atoms contain three small particles, protons and neutrons inside the nucleus, and electrons orbiting around the nucleus. Atoms belong to specific elements. Hydrogen atoms will be different than oxygen atoms, as each has a specific number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Elements are listed on the periodic table. Each element only contains one type of atom. For example, the element hydrogen only contains hydrogen atoms. Molecule. Atoms bonded together. Water is one example of a molecule. The chemical formula for water is H2O, which means it contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Cellular organelle, a well-defined structure within a cell. In this picture of an animal cell, there are many organelles. The mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and numerous vacuoles are all examples of organelles in a cell. Cell, the basic organizational unit of living material. Many cell illustrations are based on an average cell and show the organelles, plasma membrane, and nucleus. In the human body, there are many different types of cells. Some examples would be the cells found in the skin, muscle fibers, fat cells, and brain cells. A neuron is an example of a nerve cell. This is a specialized cell and therefore has different structures than an average cell. Tissue, a grouping of similar cells with a specific function. Some examples of tissues in the human body include skin, the lining of the intestinal tract, bone, cartilage, and tendons. In this picture, you can see the many layers of cells found in skin tissue. Organ, a body part made of tissues performing as a unit. Examples in the human body would be the liver, stomach, gallbladder, kidney, lung, brain, eye, and ear, just to name a few. The stomach, as you can see, contains mucous membranes, nerves, and layers of muscles, all working together to help digest food in this organ. Organ system, organs that cooperate to accomplish a common purpose. The mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, gallbladder, spleen, small intestine, and large intestine are just a few of the organs that are found in the human digestive system. Examples of other organs systems in the human body include the skeletal, muscular, cardiovascular, nervous, respiratory, urinary, and reproductive systems. An organism, an individual capable of reproduction. Population, a group of interbreeding organisms coexisting together. An example would be a family or your extended family. Community, integrated populations living in a limited area. The people who live in the same city as you would be part of your community. Ecosystem, a community and the physical features of its environment. This would include the people in your city, as well as the wildlife, trees, cars, roads, and buildings in your city.